Wonderful day. Today, let us discuss the journal entries that need to be recorded in the integrated accounting system. In the beginning itself, I would like to draw your attention that in the integrated accounting system, it is the combination of the financial accounting system as well as the non integrated accounting system. So, in this particular system, very important uh, point that you should note is the cost ledger control account or the general ledger control account does not appear. So you should always understand. So the cost ledger control account will not appear in this particular system. So when the materials are purchased for stock, for cash, then instead of cost ledger control account, what you are going to pass is the store's ledger control account data to cash account or bank account. But when the materials are purchased on credit, also you should you should pass an entry where you have to credit the sundry creditors account. Here you should note under the non-integrated accounting system, whether you purchase on cash or credit, the journal entry that remains the same. But here you should uh, change it. If it is purchased on credit, stores ledger control account data to sundry creditors account. If the materials are purchased for special job, then work in progress control account data to bank account. If the materials are purchased for special job on credit, again you have to credit the sundry creditors account. The journal entry becomes work in progress control account data to sundry creditors account. If the direct materials are issued to production, there is no change in the journal entry between the non-integrated and integrated work in progress control account data to stores ledger control account. Indirect material issued to production. Indirect materials is the uh, overhead. So relevant overhead control account data to stores ledger control account. Materials returned to suppliers. If it is purchased on credit, sundry creditors account data to stores ledger control account. Direct materials returned from production to stores. So the opposite entry is passed. Stores ledger control account data to work in progress control account. Indirect materials returned from production to stores. So stores ledger control account data to relevant overhead control account. This is the journal entry that is to be passed. If there is any material which is transferred from one department to another department, no journal entry is passed under integrated accounting system. And when we come to the labor, the wages. So if the wages is directly incurred or paid, wages control account data to bank account. Instead of cost ledger control account, we write to bank account. The wages, the indirect wages or the direct wages if it is outstanding, and we pass a journal entry, wages control account data to wages outstanding account or payable account. Direct wages allocated to production. So work in progress control account data to wages control account. So the same journal entry that we pass. If the indirect wages of any form, factory, office, selling and distribution, so relevant overhead control account data to wages control account, that is the journal entry that is to be passed. If any direct expenses incurred, then work in progress control account data to bank account. So directly we charge it to work in progress control account. If the direct expenses is outstanding, work in progress control account data to sundry creditors account or direct expenses outstanding account or payable account. And the fourth category is the overheads. So as usual, the relevant overhead control account data to bank account when the overheads are incurred, and the overheads are outstanding, relevant overhead control account data to overhead payable account or sundry creditors account. That is the journal entry that is to be passed. When the overhead are recovered or absorbed, then relevant overhead control account debtor, that is for each overhead and separate journal entry that is to be passed. What is the journal entry that is to be passed when the overheads are recovered in the case of factory overhead? Work in progress control account should be debited. If it is the administration overhead, finished goods control account should be debited. If it is selling and distribution overhead, cost of sales account should be debited to respective overhead control account. If there is under recovery of overhead, you can create a separate account, overhead adjustment account, or directly transfer to profit and loss account. So overhead adjustment account or profit and loss account debtor to relevant overhead control account. If it is over recovery of overhead, relevant overhead control account debtor to overhead adjustment account or profit and loss account. There are other transactions uh, that is found in the integrated system, and if the finished goods produced at cost, the same journal entry that is passed finished goods control account debtor to work in progress control account. The cost of finished goods sold, cost of sales account debtor to finished goods control account, that is the journal entry that is to be passed. Sales of finished goods, if the sales is done in cash, so cash account or bank account debtor to sales account. If it is on credit, sundry debtors account debtor to sales account. If there is any sales returns, sales account debtor to sundry debtors account, that is the journal entry that need to be passed. If there is any capital items, assets, or any other items transactions that is found in the integrated accounting system, the sundry assets account debtor to work in progress control account, that is the journal entry need to be passed. If there is any repair work that is undertaken, repair work normally we consider it as the factory overhead or any other overhead, relevant overhead control account debtor to work in progress control account. And if there is any abnormal wastage, so or the losses, you can directly transfer it to profit and loss account. So profit and loss account debtor to work in progress control account. So this is what the journal entry that need to be passed under the integrated accounting system. So I will meet you in the next part with some problems. Thank you.